How to see who likes you on Bumble for free. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out. So without any delay, let's get started. So if you open the Bumble app on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Bumble account, your home page will look somewhat like this. Where if you go to the likes tab, which is on the bottom side of the screen, you'll be able to see the list of all the different people who have liked you. But if you're not upgraded to premium, you can only see the blurred image, meaning that you won't be able to see the picture or the name, and you won't be able to send them a message or chat with them. So in order to see the full detail or the profile picture, what you have to do is simply go to your profile icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the option upgrade from, and then you'll be able to see all of the different plans over here. So now you won't be able to see who liked you on Bumble without upgrading to premium. So it is impossible to see who liked you on Bumble for free. You must have a premium, or if you really want to see who liked you on Bumble for free, you'll have to go through all of the different people until you find the one matching to this blurred photo. So that is the only way on how you can see who liked you on Bumble for free. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.